Welcome back to maths class. So this is the class for continuous in your arithmetic progression. Next exercise. Okay, students. Shall we recall your previous exercises? Yeah. So the arithmetic progression, you have a three exercises. So the first exercise, you have a topic of how to verify the given sequence is AP or not. And in AP, when the first term and common difference is given, we need to find the first three or more terms. So that like only in your first exercise, general form which means. Okay. And coming to the second exercise, you have a nth term of AP. Yes. So nth term of AP, an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. And here d is equal to a2 minus a1. Here we have covered the questions for find the particular terms. And then suppose the infinite series is okay. Now coming to the finite series, you don't have a value of n, which is, you know, the first term and as well as the last term only. We have to use the nth term formula and to find the number of terms. So that pattern of sum only we are completed in the previous exercise. Now coming to the exercise 5.3, you have only the two times in for that. First one is the finite series, finite AS. Finite AS. Do you know the meaning of finite? Yes. I have a first term and as well as the last term. Okay. So for that, I have a formula Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus l or otherwise a plus an. Or otherwise, what is that? Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus an. So for that, I am giving you nth term an or the last term l are both also same. Now coming to infinite as. So in that infinite as we have only one formula, that is Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So these two formulas only you are going to use the whole exercise. Okay. Fine. So in that 5.3 exercise, already you completed the first three questions in your previous class. Yes, students? Okay. Now let us start with the question number. Which one? 5. Yes, up to the 4 questions you have completed in your previous class. Now coming to the 5th question onwards in your in this class. So now coming to the 5th question. So students, listen carefully. So this nth term formula is a very important topic for your arithmetic progression. So maximum 3 mark questions we are expected to get this exercise only. Okay. So be careful and listen carefully and practice well in this exercise. Okay. Now the question number 5 given. So first I read the question. Listen carefully. So the first term of an AP is 5 and the last term is 45 and the sum is given 400. Sum is 400. Now we want to find the number of terms and the common difference. So the right is given a equal to 5 first term and the last term an is equal to 45 and sum Sn equal to 400. Sn equal to 400. Now what we are going to find? The number of terms and as well as the common difference. Okay. So first I am taking Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus an formula. Okay. So for that I have a value of Sn equal to 400. See, Sn equal to 400 and you have a formula n by 2 into, you don't know the value of n, so just substitute n only. N by 2 into, you have a value of a is 5 and an is 45, which is equal to 400. Which is equal to 400. Now add this to get n by 2 into 45 plus 5 is 50, which is equal to 400. So 1 2s are 2, 23 2s are 50. Then finally n equal to 400 divided by 25. Now the simplification, 5 5s are 25, 8 5s are 40, 0, 80. Okay. Now 1 5s are 5, 16 5s are 80. So the value of n is equal to our student 16. Value of n is 16. And next we want to come where? We need to find the common difference. Okay, by taking which one? AN. Student. Okay. Now take AN which is equal to 45. AN is equal to 45. Okay, so you have formula AN, that is A plus N minus 1 into D, which is equal to 45. Okay, and you have a value of A is 5 and N equal to 16. I am going to substitute this. So 5 plus N is 16. So 16 minus 1 into D, which is equal to 45. So the plus 5 I want to move that side, it will come minus 5. So 16 minus 1 is 15. Okay. Now 15D, which is equal to 45 minus 5. 45 minus 5. So 45 minus 5 is 40. Now coming to the common difference, D equal to 40 divided by 15. 40 divided by 15. Now simplify the table of 5. 8 5s are 40, 3 5s are 15. So the value of D is 8 by 3. The value of D is 8 by 3. Have you got it, children? Okay. And next question, I want to go the sixth one. So that is also you have a same pattern, but you have a minor different only. So that is C. So sixth question, the first and last term of a AP are 17 and 350 respectively. So here also you have a first and last term. Yes, student. So the first term is 17. A equal to 17 and AN equal to 350. Yes, student. Okay. If the common difference is 9, so here D is also given. Now, how many terms are there and what is that sum? So what are the things we need to find? The common, n, the number of terms n and Sn also. It is very simple to take this AN, the same method you are going to use. What is that? AN equal to how much is given? 350 as student. Okay. So from the AN we need to substitute the first term and which one? AN already, and the common difference also is now. So you substitute first term and common difference to get the value of n. And then that n we have to substitute Sn formula to get the answer in simplest way. Okay, student. So the question number 6 also you have the same pattern of the first question. So try it with your homework. Yes, student. Now coming to the 7th question. So students, I am giving you the 7th question. So listen carefully. I am reading the question. Find the sum of first 22 terms of an AP which D equal to 7 and 22nd term is 149. So what are they given? So first you should mention given. What is given? What is that? D. The common difference D equal to 7 and 22nd term. So that is A22 which is equal to 149. A22 equal to 149. Now what we are going to find? So the sum of the, how many terms? 22 terms. Okay. So student, from the given only we need to check what are the formulas we are going to use and which one we are going to find, and then the final answer we can judge. Okay. Yes. So here the common difference is given and 22nd term is given. Okay. So now what we are going to find? To find. So this also is how to find S22. S22 we are going to find. Okay. So from that, so first we should take the 22nd term. So that is A22 which is equal to 149. 22nd term. Okay. So do you know the 22nd term? Yes. A plus 21D which is equal to 149. So here you have value of common difference D. Now we are going to find the first term. Yes, students. Okay. Now A plus 21 into 7 which is equal to 149. Okay. Now multiply to get the answer. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. 147 which is equal to 149. Then the final answer A equal to 149 minus 147. 149 minus 147. So the value of A is equal to how much? 2. The value of A is 2. Now we want to find the value of S22. 22. That is sum of first 22 terms. And before that, write the formula Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So for that we need to substitute the value of the n is 22 and a is 2, then d is 7. Yes, student. Okay. Now S22 which is equal to 22 by 2 into 2a, that is 2 into 2 plus n minus 1 is 22 minus 1 into d is 7. Now simplify this two to get 11. 11 2s are 22. Yes, student. Okay. Then 2 2s are 4 plus 21 into 7. Already you have a value of 21 7 so 147. Okay. Now 11 into 4 plus 147. So you get the value of what will come? 151. So now we want to multiply this to 151 into 11. So 151 again 151 to get 1661. So the value of S22, the sum of the first 22 terms, which is equal to 1661. 1661. So this is the final answer for you in the question number 7. Okay, have you got it, children, for this question? Okay, and then we have to move the next one. See, and before that, student, I hope you all are thorough in your previous exercise. Okay, and you all are enjoying this chapter because it is the easiest way of it is we are continuing for your number system only. Yes, student. Okay. Now the next question is question number 8. Question number 8. So this is a 3-mark question. So listen carefully. 8 and 9 are both also very important question. So listen carefully all of you. Okay. So the question number 8. See, find the sum of first 51 terms of an AP whose second term and third term are 14 and 18. 14 and 18. See, given. What are the given? Second and the third term. So A2 which is equal to 14. Then third term A3 which is equal to 18. Now what we are going to find? The sum of first 51 terms. So that is S51. Now coming to solution. Okay. Student, this is also very simple. See, second term and third term you have. You have two types for this doing the sum. The first one is take the second term and the third term and use the nth term formula to get the two linear equation like the previous exercise. So from the two linear equation we need to solve to get the value of A and D. Then substitute here in the S51. Or otherwise in simple way, see you have a second and the third term and I have a formula. The common difference D equal to A2 minus A1. So directly you have to take the answer. Okay. So D equal to A2, the second term minus first term. Or otherwise A3 minus A2 also. Is student. Already you know in your first exercise no. A2 minus A1 equal to A3 minus A2 equal to A4 minus A3 and so going on like that. Okay. So here I have a formula like this. But I have the value second and third term only. So I am substituting this. So third term is 18 minus second term is 14. To get the common difference is 4. It is a simple thing. Okay. And then second term A2 is given no. So A2 is equal to 14. The second term of AP what student? A plus D. Because you have the general form of AP is A, comma A plus D, comma A plus 2D, comma A plus 3D answer. Yes, student. So A plus D equal to 14. Now already you know the value of D is 4. So A plus 4 equal to 14. Then A is equal to 14 minus 4. The value of A is 10. So the value of A is 10. Have you got it, children? Yes. Now what we are going to find? S51. Sum of first 51 terms. Okay. So S51 which is equal to 51 by 2. Already you know the formula. S are equal to what is that? N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. So here N equal to 51. So 51 by 2 into value of A is 10 plus n is 51 minus 1 into D is equal to 4. Yes? Okay. Now 51 by 2 into 10 twos are 20. 10 twos are 20 plus 51 minus 1 is 50 into 4. Okay, student? Yes. Now 54s are how much? So we can't simplify taking the same 51 by 2 into 20 plus 54s are is 200. 50, 100, 200. So if you are going to add those two, 51 by 2 into 220, the simplification is 110. So 51 into 110. 51 into 110. Now the multiplication 110 into 51. So 0, 1, 1, 5, 0, 5, 5. The answer is 0, 1, 6, 5. So this is the value of S51, which is equal to 5610. 5610. Have you got it, children, for this question? Okay. Students, and next question is, so 8th question is completed. Now 9th question is very important. Listen carefully, all of you. It is an important 3-mark question. See, some little question. So if the sum of 7 terms of an AP is 49, so S7 which is equal to 49, comma, and that of 17th term, 17th term is 289. So that is S17 which is equal to 289. Now what we are going to find? So that's find the sum of first n term. Find the sum of first n term. So this question also you have the same pattern of using elimination method and to solve the value of A and D and then substitute. And before that, it is a new thing for you to substitute the nth term value and the elimination method. Okay. Now listen. So solution, take S7 which is equal to 49. Okay. And before that, you know the formula is, what is the formula? Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. Now you have S7. So you know only the value of n, that is 7. Okay. So 7 by 2 into 2a plus 7 minus 1 into d, which is equal to 49. Which is equal to 49. Now the 7 by 2 want to move that side, it will come, what will come? Multiplication with the reciprocal. Now 2a plus 6d which is equal to 49 into 2 by 7. 2 by 7. Now 1 sevens are 7, 7 sevens are 49. And you have 2a plus 6d equal to 14. Take as equation number 1. Or otherwise, you have a common numbers. I mean common number is 2 and divide by this equation to get a plus 3d equal to 7. Okay, whatever you have to take is not a problem. And the next I am going to take S17 which is equal to 289. 289. S17 equal to 289. Now again I am using the same formula to get 17 by 2 into 2a plus 17 minus 1 into d which is equal to 289. And here also the 17 by 2 want to move that side, we come the reciprocal with the multiply. So 2a plus 16d which is equal to 289 into 2 by 17. Now the simplification, 1 17s are 17, 17 17s are 17 square is 289. Now the final answer is 2a plus 16d which is equal to 17 2s are what will come? 34. So this is your equation number 2. Now I am going to solve these two equations. So here also if you have a common term is 2, so divide by 2 to get the simplest form. Or otherwise you have the same number only, so no problem. Okay, so take the equation number 1. So that is 1 is what is that? 2a plus 6d which is equal to 14. What is that? 2a plus 6d which is equal to 14. And the equation number 2 is, what is that? 2a plus 16d which is equal to 34. Now want to change the symbol, okay? negative minus minus minus. So 2a cancel. 6d minus 16d to get minus 10d, which is equal to minus 20. Minus 20 because 34 minus 14. Yes, student. Okay. Now minus minus on both also cancel. Now d equal to 20 by 10. So the value of d is 2. The value of d is 2. So now again you want to substitute any one of the equation 1 and 2 to get the value of the first term. Yes, student. Okay. Now simply I am taking the first equation. What is the first equation? 2a plus 6d, which is equal to 14. So here I am going to substitute the value of d is 2. Now 2a plus 6 into 2, which is equal to 14. Now 2a plus 6 2s are 12 equal to 14. Now I need only a. So 2a, which is equal to 14 plus 12 on 2, that side will become minus 12. Minus 12. Now what will be the value of 2a? So 2a equal to 2. So the value of a is 1. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Now we complete the value of a under a. Now what they are asking? Find the sum of first n term. Find the sum of first n term. So again I am using the same formula here. Sn equal to 2a plus n minus 1. See, each and every sum one time is enough to write the formula. Again we don't want to write. Okay. So for the substitution purpose I am giving you now. Sn equal to n you don't know. So substitute n equal to n. So n by 2 into. So you have a value of a is 1 and d is 2. So 2 into 1 plus n minus 1 into d is 2. Now I am going to simplify this to get n by 2 into 1 2s are 2 plus 2 into n 2n minus 1 2s are minus 2. Yes, student. Now plus 2 minus 2 on both also cancel. So the remaining n by 2 into 2n. Now 2 2 also cancel. N into n square. N into n square. Yes, student. Have you got it this? And before that, so this is a very important 3 mark. Sometime we are going to expect that 4 mark question also here. Okay. Have you understood? And from this question, I give you one formula. It is a very important 1 mark question to you. Yes. So the sum of the first n odd natural number. Sum of the first n odd natural number. The formula is n square. The formula is n square. Okay. So maybe the 1 mark question will be expected for this here. See, you have odd numbers, you know, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and so on. So here I am going to substitute. I am going to find the sum of n terms. Sum of n terms. Okay. So here also up to n terms. So you have the first term is a is 1 and the common difference is 2. Is student. So take a equal to 1. Common difference a2 minus a1. So 3 minus 1 equal to 2. Okay. Now Sn equal to n by 2 into the same way only we are going to use. Okay. To get the final answer, what will come? N square. So this is important 1 mark question by asking what is that? So the sum of first n odd natural numbers. Odd natural number is, what is that? N square. Okay. Sometimes you are going to use here. And then, so this is an important formula you are going to study in 11th standard. Yes, student? Now the next pattern question I am going to give you. So almost we complete this exercise, no? Okay. So for the 10th question, I am going to teach you the example 15. Example number 15. So example 15 and the exercise you have a 10th question on both also same pattern. Okay. Show that A1, A2, A3 up to AN form an AP where AN is defined as below. So AN which is equal to 3 plus 4n and the second one is AN equal to 9 minus 5n. So these two questions also you have the same pattern. Okay. Example 15 also you have same pattern. So example question you have to try with your use your book. Okay. So exercise answer I will give you 10 to 1. First question I am teaching you and the second question try yourself. A student. Now what is given AN? AN which is equal to 3 plus 4n. 3 plus 4n. See here nth term is only given. So we need to find the first 3 or 4 term to get AP. And then use the AP and to get the values of A and the common difference. And then you have to substitute the sum of how many terms they are asking. Find the sum of 15 terms. First 15 terms. So use that Hessian formula. Yes, student. Okay. Now I'm going to substitute n equal to 1 to get the first term. A equal to 3 plus 4 into 1 4. So that is 7. So 3 plus 4 7. Then A2 which is equal to 3 plus 4 2s are 8. So 3 plus 8 is 11. And the third term A3 which is equal to 3 plus 4 3s are 12. That is 15 and so going on. So now what is the required AP? So the AP is 7, 11, 15, and so going on. Yes, student. Okay. Now you have a A equal to 7 and the common difference is D equal to A2 minus A1. That is 11 minus 7. What is the value? 4. So D equal to 4. Now I am going to find the sum of first how many terms? 15 terms. Yes, 15. Yes, student. So Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So here I have a value of a is 7 and d is 4. If I f how much? S 15 which is equal to 15 by 2 into 2a. What is the value of a? 7. So 2 into 7 plus 15 minus 1 into the value of b is 4. Yes, student. Okay. So 15 by 2 the simplification is not. Why? Because of order given. Now 7 to the what will come? 14 plus 15 minus 1 is 14 into 4. 15 minus 1, 14 into 4. Now you are going to simplify this. 15 by 2 into 14 plus 14 4s are how much, students? 56. Now add with 15 by 2 into 56 plus 14 60 70. 1 2s are 2, 35 2s are 70. Now 35 into 15. 5 2s are 25, you make a 2. 5 3s are 15. So 17. 1 5s are 5, 1 3s are 3. Now addition 5 2, now 5. So now the value of S15 equal to 525. The value of S15 equal to 525. Yes, student, have you got it? This question. So the same pattern only you are going to do the next question number 2. So you have a question number 2 is AN equal to 9 minus 5n. So this is your homework. Yes, student. Now I want to discuss about the deleted portion of this unit, arithmetic progression. So listen carefully. So already I told you the first 2 exercise you don't have any deleted portion. Okay, as per the announced portion. So you don't have any portion in deleted in your first 2 exercises. Now coming to the third exercise, you have the deleted portion. Example 16. The TV manufacturer sum. So the page number 111. Page number 111. Okay, you have a deleted portion of this. And coming to the exercise. Exercise 5.3. You have the deleted portion of question number 15 to 20. 15 to 20. So this one is the page number 113 and 14. Yes, student. So these are your deleted portion in your chapter. In the chapter arithmetic progression. Have you got it, children? Okay. So except this question, we are going to complete today in this exercise. Okay. So be careful. So these 2 questions you don't want to prepare. Why? Because of the situation problem. But you have in your knowing purpose, we will tell you later. Yes. Yes, students. Okay. The next question is question number 11. Question number 11. Okay. So the question number 11. Listen carefully, all of you. If the sum of first n terms is so this one also you have the same pattern of the previous question, but one small difference. In the previous question, they are giving nth term an, but here they are giving Sn. So this only is a different on both question. So given Sn, which is equal to what is that? Sn equal to 4n minus n square. 4n minus n square. So this is given sum of n terms. What is the first term? That is S1. What is your S1? And what is the sum of the first two terms? What is the second term? Similarly, third, 10th and the nth term. So they are asking so many subdivisions. So listen carefully. So and before that, first I am going to substitute to get S equal to 1. That is S1. So 4 into 1, 4. 1 4s are 4 minus 1 square 1. So that is 3. S1 equal to what is that? 3. Now coming to second term, S2. S2 which is equal to 4 2s are 8 minus 2 square is 4. So 8 minus 4 is 4. Yes, student. Okay. So this is your first sum, the sum of first term. So the first term we are going to mention as D also. Sorry, A. So A is the first term, no? Yes. Okay. So for that, I am going to, what are they asking? First term, S1, we find. Sum of the first two term, S2 also we find. Now what we are going to find? The sum of the, what is the second term? Second term they are asking, then third term, 10th term, n term. Yes, student. And before that, already I told you in the previous exercise, you have a concept an equal to Sn minus 1. So this is a very important concept. We are going to use the 1 mark question. An equal to what is that? Sn minus 1. Already I explained you this formula. Yes, student. Now for that second term I need a student. So A2 which is equal to Sn. Suppose n equal to, you are going to substitute to S2 minus S1. S2 minus S1. You have a value of S2 is 4 minus S1 is 3. So A2 is equal to 1. A2 is equal to 1. So like that, I am going to find the third term and 10th term. Okay. So students, listen carefully, all of you. So you have a that is first term is 3. Now coming to the common difference. So common difference, do you know? A2 minus A1. Okay. So common difference. D equal to A2 minus A1. You have a second term is 1 minus A1. The first term is 3. To get minus 2 is your common difference. D equal to minus 2. So for that we are going to find the next third term. That is A3 which is equal to A plus 2D. Yes, student, already you know the general form of AP. Yes. So A3 equal to A plus 2D. So you have a value of A is 3. So 3 plus 2 into minus 2. Okay. So that is, what is that? 3 minus 4 which is equal to minus 4. 3 minus 4 equal to minus 4. So already you have a value of second term is 1. Now coming to the third term is minus 1. And next what they are asking? 10th term. Okay. So for that, A10 which is equal to A plus 90. So A is 3 plus 9 into minus 2 is minus 18. So minus 18 which is equal to minus 15. So this is your 10th term. A10 which is equal to minus 15. Yes, student. And finally they are asking that nth term. Find the third term, 10th term and nth term. Now an which is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now you have a value of a and d to substitute here. A is, what is that? A is 3 plus n minus 1 is into d is minus 2. Now multiply to get 1, 3. Then plus into minus 2 into n to n. Student, then minus into minus plus 1 2s are 2. Now the simplification 3 plus 2 is 5 minus 2n. So this is your input term. This is your input term. Have you got it, children, from this question? So in creativity they are asking some particular sums, whatever sum, find the 15th term, find the 27th term, like that. Yes, students. Okay. Now the final question I am giving you in this class. The last pattern of question. So students, up to 11 questions completed. Now 12, 13, 14. So the three questions are the same order. After the 15 onwards, the deleted portion already I told you, no. Okay. Now 12th question, 13, 14. So one question I am giving you. Okay. So 12th question, find the sum of first party positive integer which are divisible by 6. Okay, so 12th question. It is very simple. What are the numbers? So the numbers divisible by 6 are. Divisible by 6 are. What are they? You know? 6, 12, 18, and write the 6th table. That's all. Okay. So now you have value of a equal to 6 and as well as d also 6. Now what they are asking? Find the sum of first party positive, which is that infinite series. They are asking only the party numbers, 40 positive integer. So S40 which is equal to 40 by 2 into 2 into 6 plus n is 40. So 40 minus 1 into 6. So here simplify this. 20 into 6 2s are 12 plus 30. 40 minus 1 is 39 into 6. Now the simplification 20 into 12 plus 6 9s are 54. Remainder 5. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 5 is 23. So add these two to get what will come? 246. Now multiply this 0, 6 2s are 12, remainder 1, 4 2s are 8 and 9, then 2 2s are 4. So this is your answer. So 4920 is the sum of first party positive integer. Have you got it, children? Yes. And the 13th question also the same order. Sum of the first 15 multiples of 8. Okay. So 15 multiples. So that is also very simple. 15 multiples 0. Do you know, student? 15 comma just you have to mention the three terms 15 comma 13 comma 45 comma dot. So for that here also a equal to 15 and the common difference also 15 and we use the SN formula to get the same pattern different things. Okay, so try it yourself. Now coming to the last question number 14. Okay, students. So the question number 14. Find the sum of first odd numbers between 0 to 50. So first I am going to write. So the odd numbers between 0 and 50. So do you know between we have to accept first and last term. We have to leave the first and last term. Now what are these? 1, 3, 5. Odd numbers only we are going to select, student. Have you got it? Okay. 5, up to 49. Up to 49. Yes, student. So for that first you should find the value of n. Find the value of n. So you know the value of a is 1 first term and the common difference d equal to a2 minus a1. 3 minus 1 equal to 2 and the last term is 49. L or an, that is your wish. Okay. Now L or an which is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, you have a L is 49 which is equal to a is 1 plus n minus 1 into d is 2, student. So plus 1 want to come that side, 49 minus 1 which is equal to n minus 1 into 2. So 48 which is equal to n minus 1 into 2. So directly cancel. 1 2s are to 24 2s are. Now n minus 1 equal to 24. So n equal to very simple 25. Minus 1 moving that side. Plus 1. Okay. So n equal to 25. So already I told you that you have a formula. find the sum of first odd natural numbers is what? N square. So use that. Sn equal to n square is 25 square, that is 625 Sn. Okay, or otherwise use the formula Sn equal to what? N by 2 into A plus An. A is 1 and An is 49. To get the same answer to you. A student, have you got it? So I hope you all are enjoyed today's class. Okay, so be prepared for all the questions. So almost we complete the arithmetic portion. We have the pending only for your optional exercise. Okay, so in the optional exercise we will see the next class. So students, complete the class amount in a good manner. Thank you students.